You will need a small kit of specific tools and parts before replacing a toilet flange to avoid back and forth trips to the hardware store. Start by preparing the workspace and shutting off the water supply. Then drain the toilet and remove it carefully by unscrewing the closet bolts and lifting straight up. An oscillating tool is essential for cutting through old plastic or flange remnants flush with the floor. Use a rigid blade and keep cuts shallow to avoid damaging the soil pipe. Bring a set of screws that match the new flange material for attaching the flange to the subfloor. Stainless steel screws are preferable for corrosion resistance. Select an extended wax ring when the flange sits below the finished floor level and press it evenly around the horn before seating the toilet to prevent leaks. If using a twist and set flange or a set fast flange, follow the manufacturer instructions to expand or secure the flange into the pipe, ensuring a snug fit and a uniform seal. Finish by caulking around the base of the toilet after it is torqued to the specified snugness to prevent movement while avoiding over-tightening, which can crack porcelain. Common mistakes include not removing all old flange material, which can prevent the new flange from sitting flat. Use the oscillating tool and a scraper and verify the surface is clean. Another frequent issue is choosing the wrong wax ring height, which leads to leaks or instability. Measure the gap from the finished floor to the flange and pick an extended ring if the flange is below the floor level. A third problem is over-tightening the closet bolts and cracking the toilet. Tighten bolts gradually and alternate sides, stopping when the toilet is snug, and then check for rocking before applying caulk. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work related to projects like flange replacement by listing jobs and profiles. We also host a discussion community where users and professionals exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world experiences about plumbing tools and techniques.